stones.
Yeah, exactly.
Not just
Very
any.
rough stones. Sandpaper stones.
You know what's the worst kind of stone in the world? Kidney stones. I'm bouncing differently. A blind guy. I'm home. I'm in Anda. The road tells me.
Unless he went off the road.
I'm home, and then you're not home. You're in the Baltic Mountains. It's also a rough road here. Goodbye, dude. Oh no, where's Karot? This road is so tight that the only separation is the paint.
Are you okay, driver?
No. I'm sweating my balls off.
That's not. That is very close.
What the hell is this? What the hell is going on?
Kaya malayo dito.
I'm a Binalanan driver. This won't do. This is like driving into a dog jail.
Bye.
Pasensya na kayo, masyadong maganda yung kotse ko. You guys ready? Who's ready? Efficiency.
We're gonna die of scurvy.
Scurvy.
But we have no items.
Ay, wala ko yung wala ko yung payong ha?
It's okay, Paps. Minsan lang,
Salat.
maarawan.
Ito na buwan na ha.
Oh, there's plenty of shells. Dali! I wonder why. Na 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 blue sky. Oh, go up, go up.
Okay, sit there. Kaya na siya nagdaapit sila mamaya, pagbalikan sila.
Ay, goodbye, honey. Goodbye, honey.
This is a very advanced pump-boat. This has a reverse. Manpower.
Hi, Kuya Babes. Are you okay there? What are you doing?
Smiling.
Hi. Oh, wow! Saan tayo galing pa? Doon? Where did we come from? Where did we come from? Over there, over there. Carry the water, babe. Carry it. Come on, follow.
Walk carefully. Walk slowly daw tayo.
Follow, people of Caracas. Mia's adventure. What? What's that?
A fish.
Which one?
Don't grab it. Don't grab it.
Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh, I think I know what's this. I think I know it. I think I know. Ha ha ha. Ha. A worm.
Be careful, Mama.
Doesn't like to get out.
Run. Run.
Where you going, Gribbs? It's just a starfish. It's a starfish. A black one. Hurry. Why? You're no fun at all. No fun at all. I'm coming. Where are you going? Hey. To the mountain. Oh. To the mountain. It's alive. It's alive and it's moving. The chasing of the fat boy. I'm tired. I'm tired. Hey, wait for me. I'm tired. Hey. Help me, help! It's not getting off! Oh, help me! Ah. Well, let's go. Come on. This is a big teeth, I think. Oh, it's a shell. It's a shell. I thought it's a flower of the ocean. What is that?
Flower.
A flower of the ocean.
You can cook.
You can crack it? Can you try? Oh, let's put it back. You don't have any floater, Pops? No floater? Oh! Sayang. What a nice view! I caught one! And it's what's that? What's that, Mia? A fish. A lapu-lapu, as Pop said. What? Are you sure? Do you think so? I think I'm going to help you. Is that Nemo? It's tiny.
1 hour later.
Naintanggal yung laro namin eh. Yung Ano to pa?
no.
Oh.
It's edible. It's kilawable. Wait, I have to go. Do you want me to fix? You're gonna put it. Do you want me to fix the fishing rod or not?
Oh no! Oh no! Let's just let Papa catch one fish and then let's go there and see. Huwag mo kasi, ayun siya oh. Tapos, pang-asar pa ito habang nag-fishing yung kuya niya. Alam mo ginagawa niya? Binabato niya. Okay, go lang there. We will follow. Then, 1,000 years later. Yeah, it takes time. Saan mo may ikukumpara ang fishing pa pala? Sa pag...
Na wala pa rin dingwi.
Ayun! Nahuli! Wala na nagalit. Malapit na makuha. Malapit na. Ayun na. Ayun na.
Ano pala? Oh, wala akong nag-fishing. Bato ka ng bato. Wala kang kwenta. Sinasayang mo yung proverb to teach the man how to fish. And he will eat a tiny gurami. One gurami. There, it's biting it.
Wala na yan. Tidda na yan. Ano na yun?
Meron talaga yun. Ayun, meron talaga. Oh.
Alit na ng bait mo eh. Wala na. Ubus na yan. Ay, meron pa ba?
A few
no,
moments
what's that,
later.
Papa Labs? What's that? Oh, no.
Tell me to stop.
Don't worry, it will not eat you alive. Vamos na? Look, look.
Is it an octopus?
I don't know. Let's search it. Let's search it on Google.
Yes.
Yeah.
Search it.
Let's touch it. Touch it. Wanna touch it?
No.
It's very, when you touch it, it's sticky and it's soft.
Is it a boo?
It's not. Why? Does your booty look like that? Does your booty look like that?
No, it's very low.
This one is very
It's a snake.
yeah, it looks like a snake there.
It's not a snake.
No, it's not a snake.
What's that then?
That is a marine animal. Yeah.
Or?
Yeah, it's a family. I think that's a family of slug.
The fish, and he will live.
Hindi na kaya.
there, the sea, and the sea. You see? I see.
One hour later.
Kalipas ang 3 oras. Wala pa rin naman.
What's that? What do you call that, Papa, again?
Seating. Come here, boy. I'll show you what the seating is. Is it the one that... Hey!
You want to get this? And they've arrived! The Golden Boy from the Northern Vale.
Here's the darkest one in Northern Vale.
Dito tayo. Grabe, balik ito ka dyan. Balik niya. From the Golden Age. Oo, nag-enjoy siya, Ma, oh. Hindi pa sila tapos. How many did you cut? 7. 7 only. I cut 1. 1 rock.
It's of us.
Ilan ang nahuli mo lahat? Hindi sabihin mo sa'yo na huli mo yan.
Gusto niyo makita yung nahuli ko?
Who are you? Who are you?
They're not big enough here, Mama.
Over there.
They're not.
Check it out there. I want to swim now. And there goes the final catch. Oh.
We shall claim this island ours now and forever. It will be forever.
Lapu-lapu.
Saan nyo kinukuha yung mga ano yung mga binibili nyo?
You're starting to feel it.
Ilang buwan ko pagkaramihan yan. Bago nyo ano, harvestin. Pag sobrang, oo.
Ah. Oo, sa bagay. Pag 1 kilo, kat yun na yun.
Kilo? Buhay yun, buhay na.
I wonder how strong.
Diba, tingnan mo, grabe yung epekto, no?
Dami,
Laglag
dami.
lahat.
Alam mo ba pa ang anong kulay sa Baguio? Yung siling haba. It's 140. Ang kilo. Grabe ka, mahal. Ano nang kamatis to, inabot na 200.
Pumutol kasi mama kay ate.
Kay Ate Trina.
Sige lang, wala 160 kamatis. Wala naman kami ito. Ang sarap ng ngiti nyo, dala-dala niya.
Ah, saan kamatis?
Wala na makina.
Bayaran ko.
Isang kamatis siya yung pinakaspect. Wala kasi mas
Kuya,
Ay, wow! Sabi nila. Nahiya naman yung mga karne namin. Sabi.
isa nag-confirm na nag-confirm.
Hindi na nag-confirm ha. Ay, akala niya siguro pa sinabi ko naman.
Nag-confirm na. Sabi ko, alam.
And here we are.
Okay.
We're here.
Akit mo yan, akit siya. Baba lang.
Tatabi lang.
Bababa
Itatabi
si
lang.
Dos.
Ah, hindi ma. Itatabi lang. Ah. We will catch some lapu-lapu.
You go with them.
Oh, we're sleepy. Lapu-lapu. You wanna
Hindi na
see
kayo
the
tumayo dyan.
lapu-lapu?
Ay, mababaw lang ba dito?
Ha? Babaw lang? Tapos na, wala namang alon dito lang. Ganyan lang walang page nila, no?
Nakaano
Ah, ito
lang.
yung sa kanya.
Oo, favorite of Tita Liz.
Yeah.
Shout out kay Tita Vida. Sabi ganun.
Saan pupunta si Dos?
Ayan.
I think we have to change. Oh, don't bite. Stand up,
Come
mama.
here, Dos.
Ah, go, go,
So
go.
that Dos can go. Wait lang.
Come here, Dos.
Where are we gonna go?
Yeah, there they are.
You see that?
There po there.
Isa na.
You're the one
Big.
who will bait.
Oh, go, go, go.
You wait on the left side, on the left side. Oh.
By that.
Yeah,
Let's
you were the
go.
one to...
Don't ask question anymore, sweetheart.
You pass.
Pababa sa
Hindi, yan lang.
No, they're all in your front. In the front. Okay.
Careful.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh no, oh no. Oh no. You're squishing everyone. Oh no.
Okay. Oh, careful lang yung ulo niya.
Look at Kuya.
Who's gonna get some fish?
The one. That's strong. Come on, you can do it.
Kamu
You can do it.
Patayin mo muna.
Okay.
Am I blocking it?
No, it's okay.
You hold on the... There. Come on. Pull it up.
Pull it.
Pull it up.
Pull it.
Pull it up.
Wow! Yay!
That's foolproof, anak. That's in a cage.
It's okay.
You always
Ikaw naman, binubukin mo naman. He's so happy nga.
Very good though, very
He got
good.
something.
You got the biggest lapu-lapu now.
Then Pops will pay
Bigger
that.
than
Yeah, it's
Angel.
big.
Wow, you showed that. You showed
Ah,
that
it's
here.
big. It's really big. Oh, there.
I got you. You hold that.
Oh,
You hold. Dash, you do
wow.
like that. Dash, you do like that.
Oh, come here.
Takot siya sa balance eh.
Oh, wow.
What's them? Yeah.
There's plenty over there. They're oh. They're all eating over there. Hindi.
Mamatay talaga yan.
Namamatay. Ano na ito
Malalim naman siya. Look, what's them? What's them?
Ah, bibili ka laba-laba ba?
Hindi. Pinaano lang niya to. Pinabingwit na lang.
Thank you. Ang saya naman. Are you happy, Kuya Babes?
Sato.
Hindi, ito lang po kasi yung sa akin na wala na iba. Ito lang natira.
Oh,
There they are.
there they are.
Yan, mga kuya-kuyan.
Mm.
Oh, come on. Give mo. Oh, there.
So, how does it feel catching a big fish?
Strong. Accelerated. Is it strong?
Is it true? You wanna try it?
Oh, that's very hard. That dude's very big.
That's good.
Nasira na naman yung aquarium ko. Bumigay na naman yung bulkasin.